Guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you something. We got this package. Well, we're getting this package in here especially. We're getting this package. And it's arriving today at 9 p.m. But we're not going to be able to review it today. I'm sorry guys, but I'll show you. Hold on. So here is what it looks like. Here's what it looks like. It's just a whole bunch of squishies. So I'm super excited for that. Let me just. Here's one of them. This is what we're getting. Yes, it's a watermelon squishy. I'll show you. Yes, I know that. Then here's the 30-piece one, and I'll show you. I'm going to zoom in. So here's that one, just a whole bunch of different ones.
They have a hot one. Oh, that's cute.
They have really cute ones. So yeah, I'm excited for that. Let me show you our pineapple one now. So this is what it looks like. It's just a pineapple squishy. I'm gonna zoom in. So yeah guys, we will do a squishy review for you when we get that. So bye guys.